Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for February 14th, 2017. Happy Valentine's Day, and we are going to have a area of high pressure off to the south this morning. Because this high pressure is in this location, we're going to have very light winds. You can see the isobars are very far apart, unlike yesterday, which were right on top of each other with this system that is well off to the east. So we're going to have much lighter winds today. Temperatures are going to increase today as well. We're at temperatures slightly above normal, not really too warm just yet, but just wait for the rest of the forecast. We're going to have some very good news for you warm lovers in the 6-day forecast. Going a little bit forward here from this point, we will have a mostly sunny day today, call it partly cloudy by evening, and then we get into the overnight. We'll have some increasing clouds that will occur, and that will be mainly after midnight, and then we're going to have a cold front that's going to move through in association with this area of low pressure to north. We talked about all week how there'll be a disconnect here between a southern stream system and this northern stream system. This is going to head out in this direction like this and miss the entire area. Maybe a few rain showers in the very southeastern part of our coverage area near the shore points of extreme southeastern New Jersey here and southern Delaware. Rain showers, not snow showers, not any accumulating snow, and there will be no connection between the two, no phasing, at least not yet, at least not until it gets up here again to the Gulf of Maine. So up there they'll get some more snow, but down in our area it will be too late for anything to occur and for anything to come together at the right time for any snowstorm here. So you can see right along the shore points again, just a few rain showers possible. This will be Wednesday morning, and there could be an interior for the interior locations for our central and northern areas. Could be a passing snow shower or flurry with the actual cold front that's going to come through on Wednesday morning. But that's about it. That's all you get from it. Once this thing gets out here and the southern stream vortex vortmax actually combines with the northern stream vort, we will have an area of low pressure up here in the Gulf of Maine that will take off and give them more snow. So they're going to have another bout of snow up here. Just a tremendous amount of snow has occurred up here in Maine over the last couple of days, last week or so, and they're going to be adding to it. It looks like Wednesday night and also early Thursday. So more snow for them up there, none for here. And I do think that we're running out of time as far as snow is concerned for the rest of winter. We have another couple signals here, but they're very weak signals. It looks like we have another one coming around the 21st, 22nd time frame, but we think that's going to be too warm, and that's just going to be a rain system. So we do have this system moving out, and then Thursday and Friday are going to be colder days, especially on Thursday. A little breezy also behind this front. You can move the isobars a little bit closer here, so we'll have those. We'll have colder temperatures here Thursday, starting to moderate a little bit Friday. Will be dry through the period, though. As we get into later Friday here, where the winds are going to calm down, and we'll have temperatures moderating, kind of similar to what it is today as far as temperatures are concerned, generally low to mid 40s. And then we get into Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be a different story. We're going to have high pressure that's going to be off the eastern seaboard. It's going to allow for a return flow from the southwest, and we're going to get into temperatures well into the 50s here, we think, here on Saturday. And by the time we get to Sunday, we're going to be pushing the 60-degree mark. Very warm temperatures coming in this weekend, and that especially here on Sunday. I do think that there's going to be a cold front, and you can barely see it here, but there is a cold front that's going to be pushing through here later on Sunday, but I do think you have that warming out ahead of it. Any precipitation should be off to our west. Call it a partly cloudy day elsewhere, but we will have those temperatures again, 60 or maybe even slightly above 60 degrees down here by Philadelphia. So it'll be very warm, very nice to be outside this weekend. It kind of spring-like here this weekend here across the coverage area, both Saturday and Sunday, and especially on Sunday. But we will lower those temperatures a little bit once we get to Monday, but not too drastically. Still expecting to be above normal as we head into early next week. Again, next 6 days mostly dry. The system misses us on Wednesday. On Wednesday, the system misses us to our southeast, so we just are left for a few interior snow showers or flurries, and that's about it, not amounting to anything, and the rest of the week looks dry. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 14th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.